Ball pressure, turned it over, fouled. Not going our way. Got the lead late, didn't hold on.
Your defensive connectiveness was better tonight than it was in the previous three road games, don't you think?
Yeah, but the way we finished, the discipline that's necessary, all three games on the road were winnable. 5 minutes to go in the game, each one of those games, we had a chance to win them. So we're trying to trick people, and you're not going to win trying to trick people. It takes discipline. It takes everyone doing their job.
In what ways in particular do you see them neglecting their job?
Well, it's the intent is to try to win, but we're mistakenly making things up, and so the other guys don't know what the other is doing, and it's leading to mistakes. We have to be able to count on each other. When the pressure is greatest, you have to be at your best. You have to be able to execute when the pressure is turned up. And those are the habits that you build day after day. We're not going to trick people. We're not doing any of that stuff, flopping around, all that nonsense. We have to be disciplined.